Hello everybody, today we have the software called Campaigner, and this is the best email marketing software to maximize revenue. Now, you know how important email campaigning is, so before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as the exclusive bonuses onto the platform. So if you are looking to create automated workflows for your email campaigns and whatsoever email marketing, lists, lead generation, and other type of systems for your business, this platform is definitely a gold mine for you guys, because you can craft relevant and engaging customer journeys with their automatic workflow builder. So now how it works is basically the triggering that you can enable onto the platform. Once the trigger is enabled, it is going to be processing, going through a couple of steps, and eventually sending an email. You can see an SMS. You can create different type of multi-channel supports as well. If you are campaigner SMS customer, you can create workflows that incorporate SMS triggers and much more. You can also do validation checks, so whether the emails that you are getting are valid or not, you can get through that as well. And an amazing platform because you can elevate your marketing campaigns with not only emails but SMS campaigns as well. So a really amazing platform indeed. You can see its features: campaigns for e-commerce, campaigns for SMS, API. You can also integrate your APIs and get them as well. You have your automated workflows and conversation tracking as well. And in the personalization, you can see we have many other systems as well, like for example purchase behavior and much more. So you have this drag and drop builder support for easy and convenient building email templates and forms as well. So to get to know more about the platform, you can see its reviews, amazing tool for email marketing, and the finest channel for product promotion and building lucrative marketplaces. So give a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses on Campaigner. So that is something that you should not miss out. See you guys around in the next video.